Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinswad, Pune. In this video, we are going to see about sedative and hypnotics. Contents. After watching this video, students will explain the introduction, definition, classification, examples, adverse effect and uses of sedative and hypnotics. Introduction. Sedative. A sedative drug decreases activity, moderate excitement and calms the patient. Hypnotic drugs. A hypnotic drug produces drowsiness and facilitates the onset of maintenance of a state of sleep that resembles natural sleep. Barbiturates and benzodiazepines are widely used as sedative and hypnotics. Barbiturates are an old class of drugs used to reflux the body and help people sleep. Benzodiazepines are useful for treating insomnia and anxiety. They are the class of medications that work in the central nervous system and are used for a variety of medical conditions. Difference between sedative and hypnotics. Sedative are drugs that decrease activity and have a calming, relaxing effect. People use these drugs mainly to produce anxiety at higher doses. Sedative usually causes sleep. Drugs used mainly to cause sleep are called hypnotics. The difference between sedative and hypnotics then is usually the amount of the dose. Lower dose have a calming effect and higher dose causes sleep. Classification of barbiturates and benzodiazepines. Classification of barbiturate based on duration of action. A long duration of action, that is more than 6 hours. Example, barbital and phenobarbital. An intermediate duration of action, that is 3 to 6 hours. Example, amobarbital, talbutal. A short duration of action, that is less than 3 hours. The examples are phenobarbital and secobarbital. This is the classification of barbiturates. Classification of benzodiazepines. A long duration of action, that is 1 to 3 days. Examples are diazepam and nitrazepam. An intermediate of action. The duration is 10 to 20 hours. Examples are alprazolam and lorazepam. The short acting duration of action, that is 3 to 8 hours duration. The examples are oxazepam and triazolam. This is the classification of benzodiazepines. Introduction. Sedative. A sedative drug decreases activity, moderate excitement and calms the patient. Hypnotic drugs. A hypnotic drug produces drowsiness and facilitates the onset of maintenance of a state of sleep that resembles natural sleep. Barbiturates and benzodiazepines are widely used as sedative and hypnotics. Adverse effect of benzodiazepines: lightheadedness, fatigue, increased reaction time, motor incoordination, impairment of mental and motor function, confusion, anterograde amnesia, congestion appears to be affected less than motor performance. All of these effects can greatly impair driving and other psychomotor skill. especially if combined with ethanol. Clinical use of barbiturates. Dosage. Average dose are between 50 to 100 milligrams. Barbiturates are available in pills, liquid, rectal and injectable forms. Their effect lasts between 4 to 16 hours. Clinical use of benzodiazepine, sedative and hypnotics, seizure control anxiety, alcohol withdrawal, insomnia, control of drug associated agitation as muscle relaxants and as pre-anesthetic agent combined frequently with other medication for procedure sedation. Thank you.